Why is it always her getting shot on each fucking
I
game?
think. Oh wait, never mind. We do have another DPS.
I mean, when you hear a fart. At the edge of the universe, humming a tune with sparkling crystal souls aglow. A part of thee in the key of what we know to be every part without me. Knows only two can make it light. You'll live forever tonight.
Like in the music video, all she did was twerk. Yo, Lisa, you actually need to die for that.
Anytime you crack a butterfly, I flip a switch, keep a secret, let you come inside. When I run the gamut, but I could never plan it. I keep on breathing when I land it. When I run the gamut, but I could never plan it. I keep on breathing when I land it. You give me a piece of your heart. You keep easy when we are apart. Two worlds, it could be nothing. Baby, it's something. Keep your eyes on me. Keep your eyes on me. Keep your eyes on me. Me. Keep your eyes on me. Keep your eyes on me. Me. Keep your eyes on 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 me. Anytime you crack a butterfly, you flip a switch, keep a secret, let me